Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Pictory AI to turn scripts into videos automatically. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To update Pictory AI for automated script to video conversion, begin by launching the application on your device. Navigate to the main dashboard once the application is open. Locate the settings icon, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon to access the configuration menu. Look for the Updates section within the Settings menu. If an update is available, a notification will appear indicating the new version. Click on the Download Update button to begin the update process. Wait for the download to complete. This may take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download finishes, a prompt will appear asking you to install the update. Click on the Install button to proceed with the installation. The application will close temporarily during the installation process. After the installation is complete, the application will reopen automatically. You will now be running the latest version of Pictory AI. To turn your script into a video, navigate to the Create section from the main dashboard. Select the Script to Video option to begin the conversion process. Copy and paste your script into the designated text box. Adjust any settings as necessary, including style and voiceover options. Once you are satisfied with your adjustments, click on the Generate Video button. Pictory AI will now process your script and create a video automatically. Stay tuned as the progress bar shows the status of your video creation. When the video is ready, a notification will appear. You can preview the video directly in the application. If all looks good, save the video to your desired format and location. Your updated Pictory AI is now ready to streamline your script to video process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.